Welcome back to my channel. I am Navya. I am the SQL trainer. So, in this video, I will explain SQL constants. So, first, what is constants? Means constants in SQL are rules applied to table columns to ensure data integrity and consistency and accuracy. There are 6 types of constants. What are there? Unique, foreign key, primary key, check, not null, default. So first we will discuss one by one. So first I will explain conditions of primary key and foreign key. So first, one table should contain primary key and another key contain foreign key. Next, a common column should be in both the tables. The common column data type must be same. So first we will discuss primary key. Primary key means uniquely identify each row in a table. Avoid the duplicates and null values. A primary key is a column or set of columns. It is combination of not null plus unique constants. A table can have only one primary key. So first we will create database. So our database is my class, and next we will create table. So this is for syntax. For primary key, create table. Table name is department. Next, department number int primary key, department name varchar, data size and location, data type varchar, data size is 20. It is a primary key, is a parent table. So next, insert the values. Insert into department values. So uniquely identify each row. This is called primary key. So next we will discuss foreign key. Foreign key is a used to link two tables together. It is a relationship between the data in one table and the data in another table. A foreign key in one table reference the primary key of another table. So this is a foreign key syntax. Create table employee, table name, employee ID int employee name varchar, data size 20, salary, money, data size, department name int foreign key, reference department department number, foreign key is a child table. So department number in the employee table is a foreign key that reference the department number in primary key. So this is foreign key table, and this one is primary key. So refer the foreign key is department number in primary key. So link between two tables. So for example, this is the insert the values. So this is foreign key table. This is primary key table. So foreign key table is employee table, primary key table is department table. So foreign key column name, employee ID, employee name, salary, department number. So primary key columns, department number, department name, and location. So this is foreign. This department number is relationship in foreign key and primary key. So for example, this one, employee ID 100, Mahesh 2000, department number 10. And department number 10 in primary key, department name, SQL, location, Hyderabad. So this is relation in primary key and foreign key. If foreign key refer primary key department number. So this query is executed. Next, 101 Shiva 55,000 and department number is 20 in foreign key and primary key department is 20. Foreign key refers the department number is 20. This one executed. Query. Next, one or three Ramesh 45,030. His department number is 30. And next, the department number is primary key is 30. This query also executed. And next, 104 Pawan 60,000 and department number is 40. So there is no department number in primary key. So this query is not executed. Next, 105 Prasa 75,050 in foreign key, but there is no primary key in department number in 50. So this query is not executed. So next, 106 Ravi 82,020 in foreign key. So is linked to department number in primary key is 20 is there. So this query is executed. This is called foreign key. Next, we will discuss unique. Unique means does not allow duplicates, allows only one null value. In this case, no row can have employee ID or employee name. Names must be unique. Means null values. This is what syntax in unique. Column name, data type, size, unique. So create table name employee ID int unique employee name var data type varchar data size 20 unique salary, data type, money, unique. So insert some values. So for example, in this table, unique means does not allow duplicate values, allows only one null value. So one at one, my age 56,000, employee ID 101. So this is executed query. So next, 101, she was 70,000. This is a duplicate value. So this query is not executed because does not allow duplicate values in unique. So not executed. So next, 102, her is 75,000. This query is executed. So next, null values. This query is executed, accepting null values. Next, 103, Suresh 45,000. This is executed query. Is called unique constants. So next we will discuss not null. Not null means ensure that a column cannot have null values, but it will accept duplicate values into a column. Means accept duplicate values, but null values cannot accept. So is called not null. So syntax for not null, column name, data type, size, not null. For example, create table, table name department, department number, data type int, not null, department name, data type worker, data size 20, not null. Location, worker, data type, data size 20, not null. So this is insert some values. So for example, first one, 10 SQL Hyderabad. Department number 10, department name SQL, location Hyderabad. This query is executed. Next, department number 10, department name SQL and location is Hyderabad. Means this query is executed because duplicate values are accept. So 10 is duplicate value. 10 is 10 SQL and Hyderabad is duplicate value. So accepting the not null. So this query is executed. Next, department number 20, department name SAP and location Mumbai. This query is executed. Next, department number 20, SAP, department name and location Mumbai. This query is executed because accept duplicate values. So next, finally, null values. This query is not executed because does not accept null values. So next, go for check. So check means ensure values satisfy a specific condition. The check constant is used to limit the range of values that can be placed in a column. So this is for syntax. For check name, data type, size, check condition. So this is for tables. Create a table. Table name employee ID, int age, int data type, and check. For example, age greater than 18. So for example, insert some values, employee ID and age. Employee ID 101, 102, 103, 104. And age 20, 25, 28, 30. Condition is greater than 18. So this in these ages, what are the greater than 18 ages? Like 20, 25, 28, 30. These are all greater than. So output is 20, 25, 28, 30. For example, this one, I give 25. Age greater than 25 age. So what are the output? 28 and 30. This two is greater than 25. This is called check constants. Next, we will discuss default constant. Means the default value to a column when no value is specified. It will use to assign the user defined default value on a particular column. We can any data type columns like integer, character, decimal data types, etc. This is for syntax for default. Create table, table name, column name, data type, default values. So create a table. So create table, table name, employee name varchar 20, employee ID int, city varchar, data size 30, default Hyderabad, salary decimal 10 to default 25,000. So now insert into, if you insert a record without providing city or salary, SQL will use Hyderabad and 25,000 as default. So I insert insert into table name employee ID and employee name. Values 1, employee ID 1 and employee name is Navya. Insert value. So now result. So result employee ID. Next employee name. City. Our column names. Employee name, employee ID, city, and salary. So employee ID. Employee ID is 1. I given 1 value employee ID. So 1. Next employee name is insert value Navya. Is Navya. So next city and salary. There is no values in insert the table. So this is default. By default the result. So city name is Hyderabad and salary is 25,000. Hyderabad and salary is 25,000. So if you insert a record without providing city or salary. So not providing city or salary. So you'll use Hyderabad and 25,000 is default values. These two are default values. This is called default constants. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.